Each lesson in the student edition corresponds directly with the lessons provided in the teacher guides, so students will be able to review and reflect on the day's lesson to achieve mastery over the content. You'll have more time to cover all the content standards because you won't have to reteach topics.
Think About It orients students to the lesson topic and reminds them of the key question from the day's lesson. Think About It also outlines the main ideas of the reading to help them stay focused as they read. Connections that relate chemistry to other subjects, to career paths, and to students' everyday lives appear throughout the text to help students to see how chemistry is a part of their world.
Explore the topic gives students another opportunity to reflect on what they did in class. Because they review and practice every day, you spend less time reteaching concepts, and students who miss a class will know exactly what was covered and won't fall behind. Important vocabulary terms are introduced in bold type and are often accompanied by visual learning diagrams and connections, so you can be sure that all students are supported in learning key terms.
The clearly written text and visual representations help all learners to reflect and review the main ideas discovered in class.
And the lesson summary reviews the main ideas and reminds students of the important key terms.
When students finish the reading, exercises help students review and practice what they have learned. The reading questions are designed to help students self-assess their comprehension of the main ideas. And reason and apply questions give students a chance to practice what they've learned by solving problems and providing evidence-based reasoning in their explanations.
In Living by Chemistry, you'll find SciLink strategies for designing computer-based experiences for students. SciLinks offer built-in differentiated instruction for students who need additional support or for those students who need to go further. At home, students can log on to SciLinks to find out more information on a particular topic or go further when they need a challenge.
To help you further differentiate instruction, the Important to Know feature clarifies concepts and ideas that are frequently misunderstood. And the Big Idea feature helps students to be aware of fundamental concepts of chemistry.
We hear from teachers that students often struggle with the mathematics of chemistry. Living by Chemistry gives students all the math support they need to succeed. Whenever possible, mathematical explanations are presented after students have had the chance to experience the concept, analyze data, and draw conclusions based on evidence.
Living by Chemistry contains detailed example problems with step-by-step instruction. You can be assured that students will get all the practice they need, and you won't have to spend extra time going over problems in class. Differentiated instruction is also built into each example problem. Diagrams, charts and graphs, and visual learning tools are used to help students with different learning styles make sense of the math.
Math spotlights are another way Living by Chemistry differentiates instruction. When a student sees a math spotlight, they know they can turn to the back of the book to get a mini lesson and practice problems on that particular math topic.
Students also have access to a side-by-side English-Spanish glossary of all the key terms in each lesson.